fascinating world of binary options. I am Todd, and that is my co-host Eric, and we are here back again tonight. Today is, what day is it? It is Monday, March
Who cares what day it is?
31st. No,
All I
21st.
care about is Diver Dave.
Dave.
Diver Dave is so brave. He's back there. I finally got him hung up, dude. You see that?
Yeah. He's
And he's lit up, dude. He's like glowing out of the.
I don't know if we can
water.
call him Diver Dave. That's a trademark. Somebody has that trademark, so we might have
What?
to name
His name is
something
Diver
else.
Dave. Trademark.
We've always called him
Yeah.
that. I guess somebody
What?
can just sue us if they want, but
Diver Dave is a vacuum cleaner, dude.
it
Ours
is. Does
a
that
deep
mean?
sea
Does
diver.
it? Does that mean that that's a whole topic we could discuss? Does that mean that you can actually can you make that up for something else? If
Yeah,
it's,
so you can.
if
yeah,
he's
you can
a
use
fictitious character that's, like used for
trademark. Yeah, dude. It has nothing
like
to do
a
with
like a show like ours, then I guess
They
it's
have nothing
okay.
to do with us,
So we could still call him that.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
he's our diver. I mean,
we
he's
could
our
we could
diver,
call
Dave.
something an iPod if we wanted to make it like a thing that you use to fish in the sea.
But remember when the WWE, the World Wildlife Federation, or the WWF, sued the World Wrestling Federation and won, even though the two had nothing to do with each other. So
yeah, I don't understand that really, but that's maybe like something that I don't understand. But I don't think
it
that,
is
like,
something we don't understand. But either way,
we don't have lawyers. What do we know?
no. Either way, we're live. We are going to talk tonight about more strange facts. We did some on Friday. We actually figured out the age-old question: does Beetlejuice have an F-bomb? And yes, it does. So we talked about that on Friday and some other things. So we're gonna do some of that, and we are also going to try to knock out 12 wins in binary options. If you are following us, then hopefully tonight your account is going to grow with ours. We're going to make you some money, hopefully, and if you're not following us, what are you waiting on? You can still get in now. We're about to crack this thing, and here in, I don't know, 2 months, 3 months, the trades are going up by the night, so we're going to be bringing in a few $100 a night here by the end of June is what I estimate. So if you're not part of it, then get in. So we ready to start? Ready to do this thing?
Well, I'm ready to do it. I think. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to do it. I'm looking at Tesla, and I'm thinking about Tesla in the sense of, it's kind of going up and down. So let's see.
Mm-hmm. Dude, but before you do that,
Yeah, I don't know. What about it?
I don't know. Don't we need a theme song?
Oh,
or some
yeah.
kind of intro or something.
First, hold on. I'm starting Halloween early. I've got my. But first, I'm gonna start Halloween and get my candy out right here. This is the candy of Halloween. Wait a minute. No, these are Easter eggs. I don't even know what that is about. But first. Yeah, this is Halloween Easter eggs coming out.
Halloween Easter eggs, huh?
Yeah, right. That's what I'm talking
That's a new one for me. I've never heard of that before, but hey.
about. Well, sometimes you got to be out there in the real world, listening to people, and paying attention to what people are saying about what's going on. Other than just doing nothing.
I'm
like
opening
you do.
up some charts. So
I've been looking at charts, trying to figure out what's going on. I don't see anything.
So-
Tempted to just start bidding like crazy, like a crazy person tonight. I feel like let's just start bidding.
that's a
but-
great way to lose your butt. I mean,
But then
it really
Todd
is.
told me, no, you shouldn't do that. It's
Who
like,
told you
okay.
that?
You did.
Oh, I did. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. You said, that's stupid. And I said, well, stupid is as stupid does.
Yeah, and stupid does do that, but I'm not stupid, so I don't do that.
Oh, crumbalona manata. Euro RUB is like beautiful, man. If it keeps going that way, I don't know what it'll do, but dude, we could get on some updates.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Look at that freaking thing.
Yeah.
I mean,
is it
yeah,
at a...
Well, yeah, I mean, there's some lines right there, but I don't know.
But man, that
This
is
is-
kind of a nice...
This is a line right here.
Yeah, and it's right there now. I mean, literally, if it breaks that...
If it breaks that and keeps going up, we could get
See,
a
it
few
looks
wins.
like it's falling right there.
Yeah,
But if
we'll
it
see.
breaks that, dude, then this sucker's going...
Well, it kind of did break it, but now
Going for the
it's gonna, we'll
sky.
see what this next candle does.
Okay, okay, we need to vocalize this. What are our trade amounts tonight?
$1.20.
Okay, this is our starting trade.
Yeah, it's a starting trade of $1.20. Oh, whoa, wrong window. Okay,
You have
starting
it
trade of
set.
$1.20, and we're set to make $11.16 tonight. Or
Okay.
starting at $1.20.
That sounds like a low estimate, actually, but
Well,
isn't it? Or is it?
I'm not sure. I think that's right. But look at
We're
this.
using the rounded trade amounts. I don't know. Okay, is this gonna break or what's it gonna do?
I don't know.
Is
I
it-
think we could like give it one more candle. That went pretty far down there, but then it went back up. So,
But it seems like it might be struggling to get up there. So if it breaks past that, though,
it's already broke past top level. Yeah, let's watch it because it might. Yeah, that's a lot of green candles. I mean, the only problem with this one is it really hasn't broken way out. I mean, it still has a lot of levels of resistance above it. So, I mean, it's something to watch if you want a sure thing, because it could surely just turn around right here.
yeah, it sure could. That's for sure. That's
I'm
for
really
sure.
waiting for Tesla to break down. I think Tesla's been consolidating a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it's like at a consolidation point right now. Like right here, it's at a big consolidation point. It's a lot of lines on my screen, but you can see it's been kind of bouncing down off that line, and it's sort of in this area where if it breaks down out of this, I think we got a good chance of it going crazy. But it's seemed like it's going back up, so I'll keep an eye on that. I'm kind of trying to find charts that look like they're going somewhere. Haven't gone somewhere
Yeah,
yet,
some
but
kind
they
of a
look like
nice
they're going somewhere.
trend of some sort. Euro RUB is the
Ooh.
only currency that's even got an 80% payout right now. So,
Well, look at Intel, because that one actually might be, unless Intel's turning around, dude. Intel's turning around. No, it's not. We could get it on Intel pretty soon. That's where it's kind of broken its line. It's heading through the white line,
I was looking at crude, but
but look at Intel.
okay, I'm going to go there right now.
Be serious.
Okay. So this is yeah, that green candle looks like it kind of shot up there a little bit.
Yeah, it might be at the bottom of its deal, but it might not. You know, it might be the MACD might be just going down. It might just be heading. I mean,
If it breaks down, it's probably going to go down a few more, I would guess.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to watch it. Kind of like, did we already miss it?
Well,
That's on my major watch list.
we usually do.
No, I think I don't know. It's Euro RUB is consolidating at that top point, and Tesla is not doing what I thought it was due. Tesla's actually heading up, so that's jank. This one's going way up now. Look at that craziness. Yeah, we just got to find one that's actually. Ooh,
Gold is starting to climb, but I don't know. if
Apple.
it's just-
Apple actually might be the one, dude. Look at Apple. Apple's actually possibly going to break out of here, head down. The MACD is in a good position.
Well, yeah, it looks like it went all the way up to that resistance point, and now it might be going to just going back down.
It's got some resistance down here. Some down there. And I'm trying to draw lines as fast as possible. It's at the white line right now, so it might be kind of dangerous. But
Hi, Rob. Rob Jolly. The captions cover up you guys. What captions? Are we covered up?
The captions.
Oh, you can. I think you can turn those off. Just go to your closed caption settings and turn them off.
I don't think we can turn that off. You mean our faces?
On Facebook. I think he's watching by Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
And if you go there, just scroll over it and go to the CC and turn those suckers off.
You think Apple's going to break down? I mean, it's a good position, and the MACD's. Oh man, Euro RUB, dude, we're just missing it. It's kind of going red green now.
It's kind of sideways though at this point.
Yeah, it is. It's still, we could be winning there, but let's see. Netflix has been going kind of Yankee jank.
Thanks for watching, Rob. By the way,
what's up, Rob? You gonna build some electrical stuff or something? You like wire some stuff
I think you
up?
figured it out. Did you figure those out, Rob? Just turn them off.
What do we have, chat? Oh.
They are annoying, I gotta say.
Oh.
Unless
Well.
unless you need them for some reason.
Yeah. Well. Yeah, I don't. Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at Apple, and it's just
Yeah,
kinda,
I think we better start bidding down on Apple soon because the MACD is
Well-
still heading down.
right now it's going up, but it looks like it could be a slow down. I mean, it could be going down slowly. I don't know how fast it's going to go down. And I'm not looking to rush into anything because when we find it, we're going to get a bunch of wins out of it. So,
Intel is kind of sitting in a good spot too. And man, your ROB is still heading up, dude. We would have been killing it on that one. There's only been a couple red candles. MACD is still straight up.
look
on
at
that
gold, dude.
one. Yeah, MACD is. Yeah, gold is in the same kind of position. Yeah, I mean, the MACD is in the right position in gold, dude. The MACD's opened up. If it's going to go, it might. Think gold's good for a green next candle?
If this one ends green, where's the next line of resistance?
Well, it's way up here, really.
Yeah, it's not anywhere real close.
Right up there.
Because it's already broken the one.
Yeah, and it's the blue line's going straight through that white line. I mean, the white line is heading down, but still.
I mean, there's a little one up there, but I mean, right now it's red, so it's going to end on a red candle. I mean, it just broke over the white line. I don't know. It's hard to say if it's going to keep going or what it's going to do.
I got my eyes on Intel, man. Intel as well. It's got some big things on it. That or Euro RUB. I mean, it's throwing a few red candles to us, but again, the MACD is lined up on that one. We got Intel, Euro RUB, and Apple.
Okay, the best looking one,
less.
Euro RUB is at another point of resistance, like right now, but yeah.
Yeah, but gold is actually good. Euro RUB is probably our best bet on the next green candle.
Is it going to break this line? Do you have a line drawn? Because it looks like it's at one right now.
It's at that line right now, but it's been climbing. It's climbed through.
It has
levels of
broken
resistance.
several, it looks like.
Yeah, I mean, we can only guess if it's going to or not by the way it's going,
Right. That is kind of the thing.
Intel is really at the bottom of a line right now. And Intel is probably my favorite, other than it's starting to come back up now. And gold is turning around.
I'm wondering if your
Dude,
RUB
look at Apple.
is going to...
Let's take Apple. Apple's breaking down pretty hard. It's got a green candle. It's got some wicks in it, but the MACD is still down, and it could go all the way down. Apple could go all the way down to that next green line.
It could break way down there. Yeah, it could.
And it passed through. We've got.
All right. I'm going to say if this candle shows a good amount of pressure in the next 20
10
seconds,
seconds.
just take the next one. I mean, unless it does something crazy and has a major pullback. Okay, but wait a minute. It is at a line. See that line
Let's
right
just
back
take
there?
it. Let's take it right here. Let's just take it.
I'm a little concerned about that line back there, but I think it could just
You're
go
getting
down.
too caught up on lines because look at the colors on this.
Yeah.
It's like red, red, green, red, 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 green, red, red, red. I mean, all the indicators.
Right, yeah.
are down.
Everything's showing that it's
There may
it's
be a
going
green
down.
candle in here. It would be
Okay,
like us to
this,
pick the green
I'm
candle.
going to trust that this is going to be win number one right here.
It would be like us to pick the one green candle out of a row of 19
It would
reds.
be. That happens a lot. But
with the indicators right now, I think this is going to go for like another 5 or 6 candles. I think it's going to go all the way down to
yeah, this could likely turn out to be a nice.
maybe it'll go all the way down to this one right here.
Yeah, this could just be a big drop right here. So let's just hope we got at the top of the roller coaster, and this is just going to be a downward thing. You ready in 8 seconds to take the next one?
Yeah, 8 seconds. We're going to go to the next one. 8 seconds, 80%. Bid $1.20 for 1 minute. And that's
We're
a win.
in with a first win.
I want to stay with this one because I think this is probably one of our best charts at this point. If this loses, let's just go in and watch the next red candle. As long as it doesn't do a big fat turnaround.
No, this is. I think it's going to turn and go. I think I'm going to guess that this is going to finish red.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I didn't know. I thought it was losing pretty good.
Well, it was, but I didn't know that it was going to finish that way, and I don't know that it will. It looks like it's wanting to pull down.
Yeah,
So-
I think because the indicators are still down. The MACD is strongly down.
Maybe it won't. I don't know. It's hard to say at this point because it's only got 10 seconds, but it's pulling both ways, and
6, 5, 4. Yeah, it's kind of confused, isn't it? 3,
I think you should hold off though,
2, 1.
or take the next one. Yeah, because it's still dropping. So, yep, there we go.
I'm
Happy
not
dance.
really listening to your tonight. You're like being so careful.
Happy dance, brother.
Oh yeah, you're too careful, man. You're too careful.
For those of you that watch this every night and get sick of seeing that same stupid thing every night, just know that we've already addressed the problem, and we're going to try to make up at least 12 different ones.
12.
For-
You mean like 4?
I'd
Or
say
12.
12. Let's go with 12.
Okay,
You know,
let's go with 12.
more
Might as
variety,
well.
the better. You know.
Might as well if we're gonna go with might as well go with 12. This has got some volatility, but again, I'm gonna take this if this is a win. If I can see it's a win. Man, I'm glad I bought this gamer mouse. I got this gamer mouse
Mm-hmm.
right here. Look at that thing. Oh, all you gamers out there. My other mouse was so janky. I would hit the button and then it would like hit it twice, or it would like not hit it. And it was what was it? Just a regular old mouse. That's a third win. Did we do a happy dance?
We did not.
Well, get it on, folks. Get it on. Boom. Yeah, I like that sound. Boom. You guys see Diver Dave back here over my shoulder? He's actually even glowing out of the ocean. He's brave. He's a brave brave diver. What do you think about this one? Look at this. The MACD's going
This
up.
one's
Or
hard to say. It
stochastic's
looks
going
like
up.
it's going to be a loss.
5-4.
This
3-2.
one's a loss. Oh, no.
Oh no, that's our first loss. So that's 3 wins in a row. That's a good start. One loss. And let's see, what do we think is going to happen? What do we see back here? Why would this lose? Maybe this level right here. It's sitting at this level right here at the bottom of this sort of candle. It's kind of hit that.
What's the next amount so that we have it ready to go?
The next amount would be $2.70.
Make sure you put the decimal in there so that we don't inadvertently bid $270.
Okay, so I think this one's over in terms of the downtrend, but we can keep watching it. I mean, it's kind of turning now. So, ooh, man, your RUB has been going still strong. Look at it. It's
Let
kind
me
of
get back to it here.
it's kind of at a line of resistance right now.
It's still the only currency with a 80% payout. Is it at a line? Because
Yeah, it's at a line. I think if we give it a couple more minutes, if it breaks this line, then I think we're gonna go all
Can
the
I-
way up to.
copy your moves, Alonzo. Yeah, you can. You can copy our trades. Do not do them as you see us doing them. You should actually follow what follow us in our inner circle. Actually copy the trades in the Pocket Option app. Do not try to do them because there is latency in the feed. So if you try that, you're going to be trading too late.
Yeah, so you just go to fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com and it'll explain. Just get in the inner circle and then it'll give the trading ID. Then you can be following our social trades.
Right. Yeah, you can social trade. So anybody watching that doesn't have any interest in learning how to do this, but you want to set up an account and just let us do the trading for you, there's information at our website about that. And that is a reality. You can do that. We do not use IQ option. We use Pocket Option.
We've never used that one. Maybe it's not called IQ option in another place, is it? No. IQ option is a different one.
It's a whole different platform. I mean, it's a different app.
Pocket option. Apple.
We're at 3 wins, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, so we're at
Why,
3 wins for the night.
Why do we use pocket option? I don't know. Because we got into it.
Pocket option's the best, dude.
IQ
Not gonna
option.
lie.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never used
IQ option is jank.
How do you know?
I don't. I'm just saying
You
it.
can't
Just
say
'cause
that. Don't say that. You've been censored. What if IQ option's like really good? We don't know.
They might be really good.
We've never used it. Ding dong.
We've never used it. That's why it's not good. We've never used it.
Well, Alonzo was asking why. I think he's saying why do we use?
I
pocket
was
option?
just kidding, Alonzo. I'm sorry. You'll have to forgive my my sarcasm and my
He's going to sensitivity training now.
my goofiness. Yeah, this week I need to be in sensitivity training. Usually it's Eric, but actually,
Well,
to
IQ
be honest,
option, I think IQ option's a legit platform, dude. Because
it's a good platform, just as good as
DLW
Pocket
uses that
Option.
one, I think.
We've just never used it. Well,
You don't know
we
that
started
it's just
here.
as good either. You don't even know that. You just know. I think.
I don't know. I don't know. All right, you're correcting me again. I don't know that it's as good. It could be crap, but I tried to say that and you corrected me there. I don't know how good
No,
it is.
you didn't say it could be crap. You said it was jank, like you knew, and you
I
don't know
can't-
crap about it.
I was kidding about that, dude. I was totally being sarcastic about that.
Okay.
It could be I know that there's a lot of people that use it. A lot of traders that I trust on YouTube and stuff. BLW uses that.
Well, I wonder. Yeah, I was gonna say. I think he does, and I wonder.
So
if it
I'm
has
sure
social
it is.
trading.
I would say that it is probably a good
Probably legit. Dude.
a good
Christian uses it.
thing. But we have our thing going here on Pocket Option, so there's no reason for us to change. But who knows? Euro RUB, you could take a second trade here if you want on this next candle. I think it's going to continue up. It's had 3 red, but now it's going back up. So I would say get in on this next one if you want to.
Really? Okay. I mean, if it's gonna break it, it's gonna break it now.
Yeah,
You
it
think?
probably will if it's going to. So, I mean, it's in an uptrend. It's been in one. It took a few candles down, but it's kind of what it's been doing. So we'll see.
Well,
I
it
mean,
popped, man. It popped hard right there.
I see that. Yeah, and hopefully it's going to continue its upward pattern here, and I'm gonna trust that it
Well, the
will.
stochastic did cross, and the MACD is still crossed. They both cricked, and they're both going up. And you're probably right. It is rising. We're on a second trade.
Yeah,
I wasn't looking at that one, but this one might break. I think if this one breaks, it's going to go all the way. I hope you were right. I hope it breaks, and
I hope I'm right.
I hope it goes all the way up to this line with about 8 or 9 candles, so we can be done for tonight.
That'd be great. That would.
I
be
could play you
really
some
nice.
TikTok music if you wanted to.
No, I'd rather you didn't. But I think it's gonna.
It's not 15 seconds.
Come on, shoot up there, man.
So I'm going to
Shoot
reset
up.
my bid to 120, and I'm going to assume this is going to win. I'm going to take another trade on it. If it wins. I mean, if it clearly wins. Right now, it's struggling.
Come on, come on, come on,
Three,
come on. Go up,
two,
go
I'm
up,
gonna
go up,
wait,
go up,
I'm
go
gonna
up,
wait,
go,
I'm
go,
gonna wait,
go, go,
I'm
go,
gonna
go,
wait.
go, go. Oh,
It
crap.
did not
Crap.
win.
Dang it.
Crazy, dude.
All right.
I should have got it back in, but it was a different trade amount, so 610. Okay, but if this one breaks, then yeah, I think we're good. Right? Yeah, because there's the line right there.
Let's see what it does. See
Yeah,
now
I
it's.
think,
See
I think
now
if
it's
it goes,
going up.
we should go. I think if this end's green, we should just go for it. In fact,
We're on the third trade. You got it set.
Yeah,
Okay. What is it and how much is it?
$6.10. It's on a third trade. It is $6.10. It's kind of slow up here. What do you think? Do you think this has got
I think
enough
it's
pressure?
it's showing signs of struggling, so I don't really trust it.
Okay, let's
Not
wait
on a
then.
third trade anyway.
I'll just wait. Let's watch it because I mean we could get a better pressure.
We could get a lot better one.
I don't know, man. I think we should take it because I do think it's heading up. It's all the indicators are up. It's been up. You want me to take it?
Well, how much time's it got? Oh, well, you already
It's got
did.
1 second.
Okay, well, I hope you're right because I didn't see it. I was looking for other
Why are
charts.
you doing
so-
that? Why are you looking at other charts?
I don't know, dude. Is it going up?
It's like, well, look at it. Look at it, man. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's like teeter-totter. Actually, don't look at it. Your blood pressure will go
I'm
to
looking
this.
at it. My blood pressure is pumping right now.
Why are you getting so nervous, man? Just look at these beautiful graphics of you and me standing here like we were in junior high together, hanging out like, hey, you want to be in a band? You want to be in a band? Yeah, I want to be in a band. I want to be in a band. No, this is a third trade too. I want to be in a band.
This is
No.
a third trade, but
I wanna
it's
be in a
gonna.
band.
I'm gonna trust, man, that is gonna shoot up. Come on, bro,
It's
shoot
just
up.
kind of fighting itself.
There it
Yeah,
goes.
it's gonna go up, dude. Yeah.
There it goes. Just shoot up there and keep on
Yeah,
going.
there you go. Keep on going,
And
green,
keep on
baby.
going. Keep on going.
There it
keep
goes,
on
there it
going.
goes, there
keep
it
on
goes,
going.
there it goes,
Go
there it
go
goes.
go 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 go. Yeah.
There you go.
How much was that trade for?
Bam, 610. Here we go.
And we. All right. Are you reset to $1.20?
Reset to $1.20. Let's just keep this thing. Oh, dude, I think we should get on Apple. I've been watching Apple privately.
Privately,
I think if you look at it like pretty soon, like if it breaks below this level of resistance right here that it's been farting with,
Yeah.
it's probably
It
gonna
does
go
show
down to
there's
like
some
here.
top wicks, but not a lot of
Yeah, but look, it's
not a lot of bottoms.
it's kind
so-
of broken down, and I think that if it kind of goes, I think it's heading now.
any
I
kind
mean,
of
I don't know. It
support
could
down
be
there.
totally wrong. It's way down here. See what I mean?
Okay, yeah, it is a little ways down.
Think I should take it or leave it? I mean, it's kind of been going down, up, down. We could wait another candle if you're not sure, but because I'm not totally
Well, it's
sure.
kind
Yeah,
red,
I'm not
green, red,
completely sure.
green.
But I think what I want to wait for is it to get below this line that I've drawn right there, not these. I want it to get below this line a few, and I want the indicators to still be down.
Mhm.
If that's the case, I think it might be going down to this level right here. I think it might be going down to that low line. You know, if it can get below this. You know what I mean? It's been wanting to go down. It's in a downtrend. It's crossed down there. It's crossed down here. It's not. I still think it's got some candles in it. I mean, I'm not like 1,000,000% sold on this, but so we don't have to take this one if you
Well,
don't.
I mean, it's looking kind of good, but let's see here.
You want to take. It's like
Haley
the-
says to check the comments section more. I don't know what she means. Yeah, take this, bro. Take this. Take
okay,
this.
I'll take it. Take the comment
Because
section more.
It is looking like it's wanting to drop here. This is the first trade. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Haley, if you're watching, tell us why we should check the comments more. What did we miss? Because
Okay.
obviously we must have
Alonzo
done
says, I was wondering if I can copy forecasts of traders, streamers to win money. Would that be a good strategy?
No.
I don't know
think
what that
so.
means, Alonzo. Maybe just
If you're
be
looking
more
at the
specific.
forecast, you know that little thing that buzzes
Oh,
red and green constantly?
That thing. Yeah, no.
Yeah,
no, I would not
it's
do that.
changing every half second. So, no, don't use that. Don't try
Not
that.
in pocket option. If you're talking about the pocket option, like the social forecast like, oh, because when I first started pocket option, I noticed that little thing was like, oh, look, most people are bidding down. Oh, look, most people are bidding up. And I thought that was like, a thing. And then I was like, wait a minute.
Well, what you've got to realize is that most people on here are stupid. And, and so I hate to say it like that. Probably shouldn't be so insensitive. You ready to take the next trade?
Yeah, I've already got it.
Okay. But, and Happy Dance, by the way.
Yeah, let's see if Happy Dance comes out. Yeah, this one is iffy, but I still think there's too much down
I
pressure.
think it's pushing
I think
down.
this
I
one's
think
gonna
it's
win
going
for
down.
sure. Yeah, no, I think it's going all the way to this level, dude. I think we could clear this out. If this goes down, if it doesn't go down like giant candles at a time, if this just keeps its steady downward pressure, I think it's definitely broke out of its level. Alonzo, I think what you need to do is follow signals. I mean, there are people who give signals like that actually give you real life, like we're gonna do this trade right now. We're thinking about doing that in the future, but right now the way you follow us is actually through the social trading app. So like every time I hit the button, it hits it in your account. So it would be
ready to
like it would be like boom, there we go. All right, that's a Happy Dance, and we'll explain that here. Okay, so Alonzo, so if you're gonna have to go into there's different ways that you can trade in pocket option. I guess the way we do it is through you. Like, I don't know if this copy signal Telegram. Well, there's a Telegram bot which is like a copy signal. I don't know what that means. That's a new thing actually. You can like just see where it thinks it's going and copy the signal. And I'm not sure if that works good or not. That signals, I think that might be what he was asking about, because like you can actually see.
Yeah, you could do that. The only problem with that is that we got 10 seconds. We're about to win this, and in the
Okay,
words of
let's
Bon
do another
Jovi,
one.
we are halfway there.
We're going on.
We're
a
already
down
at
bid.
6. This will be a 7th. Be ready to enter.
2, 1. There
Boom.
you go. Enter. Win. Let's do a Happy Dance and come back, man. These Happy Dances are taking. Okay.
This looks like tonight's mother load here.
There's a resistance here, so if we win this trade, I don't know that we should re-enter. I mean, unless you just want to go ahead and do it. Well, I mean,
if we're at resistance, then let's hold
look
off.
at it.
But
If this wins, I mean, it's at massive resistance right there. Like, so if
yeah,
if
we
we
should
wanna
wait and
just
see if it
wait-
breaks it. Let's hold off. We don't want to. If we win it,
there's nothing else in the background though. I mean, it's if it bounces, if it's ever gonna bounce, I hope we win this one. But if it's ever gonna bounce, it already hit resistance. So is it gonna bounce already? This might. Come on, baby, just make this down. Come on, keep it down. Don't go up there. No, don't go up there. Okay, let's
We
hold off.
we won it.
We won that one for sure. Let's make sure.
Yep, we did. I saw the
216.
amount.
All right, Happy Dance, baby. There's 6. I'm sorry, people. That is 7. That is win, win, win.
Yes,
loss,
that is 7.
loss. Win, 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 baby. Boom.
We are past the Bon Jovi stage. We are further than halfway there.
in 33 minutes. So
I know,
there-
isn't that nice?
it feels a
See,
lot good.
look, that is our strategy, people. We find these nice currents, and we just surf it. Just surf it.
That
It's
was
like-
lucky. No, I mean that was not lucky. That was a lot of skill based in when it hit this level and it bounced off of it. When it came back down again, I knew. I had a feeling. And look at that, dude. Look at how well this is. It's
obeyed.
obeying this like I don't have a like, but it's obeying it like I don't know what I was gonna say. I mean, we could literally start taking up bids at this point. It would be totally against our strategy because this might go up 3 green and then just plummet back again. I think this chart is probably for us over for at least the 5 minutes. I mean, we have to wait and see. If it bounces again and goes back down and crosses this line, we could win the rest of our trades on this tonight. If it goes
Yeah,
this
but
way.
for now, we could literally just find another one doing the same thing.
Yeah, we got to find something else.
And, when we find this, we could literally just do this all night. I mean,
Yeah.
because when we find these charts doing this, it's kind of effortless to just surf the candles, you know.
Mm. Well, that one felt pretty good. That was really nice.
That was nice. Yeah.
That one was like very clean. That was a very clean movement, and I'm not sure.
So again, for the people in the back, if you're watching this on Facebook or wherever you're watching, and you know nothing about this other than you see us do this every night, what we're doing is we're making money. We're trading. We're making money, and you don't have to learn it if you're like interested in getting in on it, but you don't want to learn it. You can just copy our trades, like the guy was asking us. You can just set your account, sign up for an account. We'll give you the link, and you just put a deposit in there and set up your social trading to follow our account, to follow us. So, hey, check out Johnson & Johnson real quick.
Okay, and American Express is on the next one that we're actually going to get in on, I think. Unless Johnson blows my mind right now.
Well, sure. Johnson & Johnson's got this big drop-down candle, so I'm not
Go to American
sure.
Express, because if
I'm already on it. Or, yeah, American Express, that's what I mean. I'm already on it. This candle was massive, so...
Yeah, but it was the one that broke resistance, the support.
Okay.
So it doesn't have another support line.
Okay, but if you look back, it's got a lot of support lines back there, too.
Yeah, the biggest one that I'm thinking about that it's going is down to that one. So, like, it's pretty far. Like, it's wide open, too. I think we could take the next candle on this one.
Okay.
I mean, if it's a decently small candle. If it's giant, no. If it stays around this size, I think the stochastic.
Well, there are no wicks there. I did notice that. It's constant pressure.
This one's going down, I think. I think if this one stays fairly like this.
Well, we're on a first trade. You got your amount set correctly?
Yeah, $1.20 first trade. I think this is going down. I mean, it could totally not, but let's. I'm with this one.
I mean, it's holding pretty steady, so yeah. Let's
I didn't want it to like shoot down. I didn't want it to get super volatile. I wanted it to just go straight down.
Right.
Because I think it's going down to that next level of support, which is probably 3 or 4 candles down. I mean, it is jaggedy in here, but we're getting pretty close to that level of support. But it isn't bouncing off it yet.
Well, so far, this is pretty steady. I mean, there's not, if you look at those 3 candles, there's no wicks on them.
Right.
Okay, I spoke too soon.
No, I still think this was pretty steady. I mean, I still think it could not do it, but just where the candles are, I mean, the indicators, they're all open and they're heading down. So I think this is still want to go down.
I think so. I mean, it looks like it would. I mean, I don't know why it would turn around, but I mean, it should just push down here. I'm hoping.
It's getting kind of finicky right there.
Yeah. Ultimately, it should just push down.
2, 1.
Boom.
And I'm back in because I do think it's going down that line. Oh, that's a win. That's 8th win. Hold on. I know it's obligatory. I don't.
By my records, that's a 9th win. Are you sure?
It might be a 9th. I might have forgot to write the one. I'll check that as soon as we win or lose this one.
I've got 9 W's written down here.
Okay, it might be a 9th win. But is this going to make it?
This one, I don't know.
It's not bouncing, is it?
This chart is questionable, so if we do win, I wouldn't re-enter because it looks like it's kind of like obeying that resistance back there, but I don't know that it's going to win anyway. This one might
back here?
This one's going to be, I don't know.
I don't know, man.
It's a win. It's a win. It's a win.
Yeah, baby. All right, hold on. I'm a happy dance and count the wins. We'll wait. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, you're right. I missed a win, dude.
Yeah.
See, I think 10. This one is going down. Let's take this next one. If this one goes red, let's
might be able to get the next 2 out of this. You mean?
Yeah, I think so. Unless it hits that line, it's getting close. But still, it's probably going to go down. If this is a nice, good, solid red candle that doesn't just go freaking flying down to the bottom, then I think we should take it. Yeah,
Okay. All right.
because the
It's good with
resistance
me.
is down here. It's got a little way to go. I mean, it's still opened up. You know.
I'm all for, just getting another 2 easy wins. So
All right, it's $1.20. We are at 10 wins. We are 40 minutes in. Actually, then this would be a very successful, very like low stress Monday night session. First, I was
Monday morning.
thinking first session Monday. We got
First
a couple,
session of the week.
First session of the week. It'd be a very easy session. You can follow us. You can take our online course, which is cool. It kind of shows you everything we do. But our YouTube videos are, I mean, these, although they might seem quite boring if you're just watching us, listening to us talk, you'll learn a lot just by watching this.
Well,
but
that's
if you take the
bullcrap.
online course, it shows why we're doing what we're doing, how we're doing it.
Why are we doing this?
Yeah, why are we doing it? 8
Come
seconds.
on, man. Don't end like this.
It
Don't
beat
do
up-
us
it
like
beat
this.
us
Come
up.
on. With only
Beat us up.
two wins left, and it's going to do this to us. Put us at a second trade. Really? Come on.
All right,
Well, that was
10.
not good.
10 wins.
All right, we got 10 wins. We're now on to a second trade. What is our second trade amount? We need to enter that in.
Second trade is $2.70. Second trade.
You got the decimal in there. Just being sure.
Oh man, look at Intel, dude. What does Intel say to you?
It says I have a lot of wicks and I can't decide what I want to do.
Okay.
But it is, nonetheless.
Yeah, that's true. It's going red again. It's kind of getting confused up there. Okay, what is crap? I don't know. Let me look around a little bit. Ooh.
Look at Brent oil.
I never go to those, but okay.
I know. Why does nobody ever go to those? Never mind. It was going up. It's got some wicks too, but it was kind of shooting up there. But,
Man, I don't know. Nothing's moving as smooth as those charts were. Those were some smooth movers. Let's try to knob these next two.
why does no one ever go to commodities? Why? I mean, we went on them quite a bit.
Well, let's
though.
go back to American Express because it could be consolidating, but I don't know. Was that the one we were just on? Yeah, it went up green, but now it's heading back down.
Hey, Euro RUB, what is it setting up for, do you think? Do you think it's going to tank, or what do you think? Because if it does, it's got a long dang way to go.
You're right. I think we should watch it because it could just trick us. There's a line right here, and then it's going all the way down. It's going all the way down to its line down here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's yeah, I like the way the MACD is positioned. I mean, it's turned around. I like that it had a nice double cross. Like if this next candle's red, we could just take a heat on it and go with it. I mean, we could just go for it because it's like who knows, it might do it.
Well, the real question here is, what's it going to do with that white line? What is it going to do with the long moving average?
Is it going to get through it and really get through it?
Right. If it does, then this thing
American
could be.
Express just janked itself. I'm glad we didn't get back on that one. Oh man, but there's a lot of wicks on Apple too. You're a RUB, that's the problem.
Well,
with
now
these.
it's like.
Yeah, it's the problem with this. It's like now it wants to go back up, but I still think keep an eye on it for a little bit there.
Haley
Ooh.
says, I just got a pocket option achievement. Nice.
Gold.
Thought you never go to these.
I don't, but look at gold. Gold, the MACD is good. I mean, I don't know that we should enter this next candle, but maybe the next one.
Well,
If you-
okay, it's at a resistance right now, so wait
Yeah,
or at
so-
a support. Let's see if it
What is
breaks
at?
that.
Like right there? Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
it looks like it's breaking it. So,
And it's going to go down to there. So I think, yeah, look at that. It's tanking, dude.
do you want to wait for the next one, or do you want to get in on it early and let it shoot
I mean,
down?
we could get
below?
in there.
This one's
I don't
kind of
know.
big, so I mean,
Let's just wait because the stochastic's kind of creaking up. I mean, it could get another green candle. There's been wicks on those last two candles. So
I see that. Yeah,
Let's let this go.
and that
But
one's got a that one's got a nice bottom wick. So, in fact, it could even flip green here if it keeps pulling up. So,
This one's kind of scaring me. We should wait for it. If
Yep.
it stays green, let's wait. But I think because the stochastic's going up, but I think it's gonna. I think overall this is gonna go down. But it kind of is at a resistance line right here.
mm-hmm.
It's kind of right there, right where it went through it. You know, if you look back. But now, if we could get if the stochastic could just crick down a little bit, I think we could get our next 2 wins right here.
There it goes. It's
Yeah,
going to
like-
pull down, I think.
I think we should. I think it's going to pull down and stay down.
Well, I don't know. I don't know.
I think we should take this one.
I mean, you could take the next one.
All right. I almost think if it goes green, if it pops up here green, we should take it.
Well, if it pops up green, then
Yeah,
it isn't that
you're right.
stable.
Yeah. Okay. This looks.
I mean, I have concerns with it. I'll tell
I
you
did
that.
too. I did too.
Let's don't do it. I got some red flags about this. And when I say red flags, I'm not meaning to make a pun.
No, I need to see the stochastic crick down and actually get serious about being down. It looks like it's going to. The MACD is down. The blue and red are down. I do think this is going down. It's starting to scare me because it's like going way low and then popping back up. And it's sort of. I still think it's going down to this level. Went down, went up, went down, and went up. I still think it's going to go down here. We should just watch it for a little bit and talk about it.
Yeah, let's just talk.
Because if it starts going down for real, then I think we're good. All it needs is
Your
couple more.
RUB is the only currency that's been paying 80% all dang night.
yeah, that's kind of weird.
We haven't been to FedEx all night, and we've kind of missed out a little bit. We still could be missing out. Do you think FedEx is going to actually... It's been in like kind of a long downtrend.
Let me look. Citigroup also might actually be a pretty good one to get our last 2 wins in. If it continues. FedEx is in a downtrend?
I mean, yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
I don't know. It looks like it is to me.
Yeah, I guess it is. It's kind of bouncing
Okay,
too.
Microsoft, bro. Microsoft. What's this? What's Microsoft doing? Microsoft has been snaking a lot, and it may have already exhausted all of its candles here. I don't know.
Oh man, yeah. I can't see that. Let me focus on FedEx because I think you're right about FedEx. Look at FedEx right now. It's bouncing between those 2 lines. So if it starts going down from here, if you can look at the lines I drew on FedEx, it's been going like this, right?
Right.
I think if it
Yeah.
if
I
it
see
flips
what you mean.
around and starts going down from here, like and we
Right.
get some real down candles, then I think we could win our last 2 on a couple down candles. Like if that's what it's doing. It's got up
It's going
there.
to hit that line, bounce down, and we could pick up 2 on the way down.
Right. Unless it breaks this pattern, but we can watch it because this is a pretty clean pattern right here. Actually, I think we've almost got the pattern right now. I'd almost maybe want one more red candle to confirm the pattern.
And then once we see it, take a 2-minute put, and unless it breaks out of that. Haley, what kind of a achievement did you get?
The other one that's still on my mind is gold. Although it's still farting around down at the bottom. Citigroup is at a white line, man. If Citigroup breaks this white line and really goes good, then Citigroup could be good. American Express kind of already broke the white line. There's a lot of snakers tonight, and I'm not sure I
Yeah.
really want.
It's kind of been that way.
Look at Apple. I mean, I don't know. I kind of look at these and think, "Ooh, this is going to happen," but then.
Yeah, and then
It's
by
kind
the
of
time
the
we
white
find
line.
it, it's always at a resistance.
All right, I'm going to focus on FedEx because it's got its first red candle right now, so we got to
All right.
really know this.
Keep watching that. I'm going to keep surfing around here in charts and see what I find.
I still think
while
we could
I'm
take
doing
a 1
that,
minute.
while I'm doing that, I want to give a shout out to all of our watchers in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Thank you for watching. We love you guys. Do I always pick some like random town somewhere and
Yeah.
that I know nobody knows of us there, and I just I'm running out of names though of funny sounding towns.
Are you?
I don't know. There's this place called Nashville in Tennessee that got a bunch of hick people in it, but oh wait, you live there, don't you?
A bunch of hick people?
Yeah, and
What's wrong with you?
a bunch of bougie people that.
All right,
know.
go to FedEx and tell me if we're taking the next red, and it'll be a 1 minute because I think we get a couple minutes down. We should take a 1 minute. If it is bounced and it is going.
I mean, let's see how this one ends. Do you have it set up?
It's $2.70. It's a second bid. I think this one should be. I think we should just take it if we're taking it. The MACD is.
All right,
down.
just take a 2 minute put.
2 minute
and-
put.
Well, what were you going
All
to
right.
take?
A 1 minute, but I'll do two. That's fine.
I mean, if it's going down, it's going down. I mean,
It's going down.
that's
Let's
how we
take a
did the
1 minute.
last one, and then we took a
I took a 1 minute.
then we
'cause
took
you
a 1
confused
minute
me.
like halfway through. The last time we got two sort of the same way. This is a 1 minute, dude.
Yeah, I know. I did. I couldn't decide what you were talking about. So
So you just went ahead and let her rip, huh?
yeah.
Wow. Well, let's hope you did the right thing here.
This doesn't look good.
No, but I bet if it was a 2 minute, like I had said, then we'd had a better shot at it.
No, this is terrible.
Okay, we'll go ahead and change the amount because we're going to a third trade here.
270, 610. We're going to 610. We're going to a third trade. Let's get off this because this doesn't make any sense to me.
Okay, next time, don't place it until I...
Well, let's see. Yeah, that wouldn't have mattered. 2 minutes would have lost too. I mean, it broke and it broke and it broke. Gold is not good. I'm looking for, dude. I keep going back to Citigroup and I keep thinking that it's going to go up. Look at Citigroup and tell me if you think it's actually going up.
Well, it is going up, but it's at a resistance point right now.
Right.
Is it going to break it?
If it does, I think we should just start bidding up on it. I mean, if it doesn't, I don't know. It's had a lot of high wicks on it.
Yeah, I can see that. And it also doesn't look like it wants to break that either.
Well, not yet, but if it doesn't go straight down, then looks like it's. Yeah, I'm not like in love with that chart either.
We can also just, wait till we find a...
Yeah, no, we got. I thought we were doing okay on that one, but what the heck, dude? Your RUB is up. Your RUB is my new girlfriend. Look at it.
Okay.
Dude. It broke everything. What? It has nothing. It has nothing except down here. I mean, it has nothing in terms of resistance.
In terms of resistance, there's nothing on it, huh?
Yeah, look at it. We should take this next candle if you think it's not just going to turn around. The MACD is still up. The stochastic is straight ahead. I mean, even if this is... We could take a 2 minute bid right down here if you want to.
You want to?
I do.
Okay, go.
We got 2 minutes on this. This is the third bid.
Yeah, because this chart looks like it's just going up.
Yeah, and if this... I'm going to reset my bid right now just in case. I'm going to set it down to 1 minute at 120. So we can, if this wins, like a clear win.
This ain't an if, man. This is gonna be a winner.
When this wins, if this
I
when this
trust
clearly
this is
wins,
gonna be a winner.
because this has very good bones to it right here. I mean, I'm married to this. This is my new girlfriend. She ain't gonna let me down.
No,
Look
I
at that
think.
thing.
Well, it's. I mean, everything about it says it's going up, other than this candle. But
Yeah, but we got another candle after this, so let's see what happens. I'm trying to find the tall resistance. It doesn't have one. It's way above everything right now.
and this is gonna be. Yeah, it's gonna probably end green anyway.
You think?
No, but it's gonna pull up. I hope.
I would prefer that it would have ended red anyway, so that it would have shot up green next. I mean, unless it, so in case we're in some kind of weird consolidation moment. 2 minutes, baby. Come on now, get up there.
Come on.
You got your wick up there. You got your wick up there. Oh, I got the new graphic. I didn't realize we had Diver Dave and Randy the Robot sitting up here watching us.
Yeah, I
watching
saw
our
that.
verse tonight.
I
Let's
saw
zoom in
that.
on this and get real personal with this. This looks really bad, dude.
Yeah.
This is going to be a win, though. I married this chart. It's my girlfriend.
Well, my brother, what's the
We got 10
fourth,
seconds.
what's the fourth trade?
I'm not even going on a fourth trade yet. I'm still on my third trade. All right, reality is sunk in. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm with you. 1380. Let's see, 1380. I'm going to check that on our chart. Make sure. Yeah, 1380.
Is this one going to tank though? Is the question.
I don't think so. I think it's going up.
I mean, it's dang sure rounding out. So
Yeah. 1 minute 1380. We can't take a down bid on this one. We got to be careful now.
we do got to be careful. Yes.
We got to find one that's really moving. I mean, that was just a literal turnaround. Okay, like Citigroup. Like Citigroup is definitely another one that's doing. Other than it's got a bunch of wicks on it, it's got to go all the way up to there. It's broke through. The only thing that worries me about Citigroup is the stochastics kind of creaked down. But I think if we timed it right, we could probably get a green candle on Citigroup.
Yeah,
Right?
but I mean,
Where
yeah,
There's
it's
a kind of a line of resistance right here, but then it just keeps going.
you want in on the next one, or what do you want to do?
I just maybe the next one, or maybe.
I
like a
mean, I don't
2-minute
know.
one.
It just keeps going, but then I feel like we're due for a turnaround. When I look at this,
you
I
might be
feel like
right. If you feel like that, well, we kind of are due for a turnaround because it's going to hit resistance pretty soon. It might just prematurely hit it. This is a fourth trade.
I kind of want to find one that shows less signs of turning
Yeah.
around.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Because
now it's hitting its resistance right now.
the next one's got to be a winner. I mean, I'm not going past a fourth.
Okay, but not this one. This one could stop. I thought you were talking about this chart, the next candle. This one goes up here. The last time it went up to there, and then it goes up to here. See, there's too many lines of resistance right above this. It could stop at any time.
Right.
I mean, this could be the one that goes red. Don't
Look
really
at
know.
look at Tesla. Is Tesla due to crash here soon?
I mean, Tesla's anybody's guess right now because of the way it looks to me. I can't look at Tesla and think anything serious.
I mean,
There's nothing that's just broke way above. Yeah, I don't know. Do you think it is? I mean, Tesla doesn't say anything to me other than, I don't know. I'll go whichever direction I want next. Maybe because I've got all these lines on it, it just confuses me. Let me get rid of those. No, its indicators are kind of turning around. Man.
I mean, I don't know that it's going to keep going up. Is what I'm saying. So I don't know. I feel like it's going to start falling. I can't say that for sure. But it's been doing a lot of going up and coming back down all night. So, I mean, it's just been. I don't feel like it's going up higher from here, is what I'm saying.
Tesla?
Yeah.
Yeah, and if it turns around and crosses down, then yeah, you're right. And we might be able to just take the 2-minute down bid on it. I mean, but it could just go up. I mean, it is still all pointing up. I mean, if it rounds out or not. I mean, it went pretty far down there a minute ago. Like it was going to tank, right?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. It's not a sure trade, so I've lost interest in it. It didn't do what I thought it might do, so.
I mean, it's the same thing with Citigroup. Citigroup looks like it's about to just hit that line of resistance and then go straight down.
See, American Express also is in a.
Yeah, I know. American Express, I was thinking it was going to go up, but it's going to hit that.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. None of them are doing what. Like American Express has been kind of iffy. Citigroup and American Express are kind of similar. They're kind of going up. Citigroup, if it breaks this line, we could assume that it's going to go up again. Citigroup actually is in a kind of a possible up push because it's at a line of resistance right now. It's kind of already broke over this line. And
Yeah.
it's got one more line. It really does technically. I have to be careful because it's got one more line right here that it got up to. Wait, right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then so it's kind of at its second line right now, see? And then if it breaks that one, it might head up to the other one.
Mm-hmm.
It's been going up a long way. We could probably take a 2-minute up bid right now on it. But it's kind of in a line, so I almost want to see it break over this one and not come back down. The MACD is still up, so
I don't know.
yeah, I mean, let's wait for another green candle. If it can go up, like you see where I'm saying, if you're looking at our trading screen, it's hitting the line right now. But if it goes above that, it's got a good ways to go up. It's all these indicators are spread out, but they've also been spread out a lot and then turned around, like it did that right here. It went up and down, up. It's almost due to go back down. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's like
I
50-50.
see that, yeah.
Hit that and go back down. Hit that and go back down. So it could literally
They've all been doing that, and it's these candles right now are side by side. That's a clear sign of consolidation to me. That's what that says
Right.
to me.
Mm-hmm. So
When they're opposite colors, equal size, that screams consolidation to me.
yeah, so this would maybe be one of those ones. If it starts heading down, we could take a down bid on it, but it'd have to cross. It would have to show us some serious double cross. Tesla's. I mean, were you looking at Tesla earlier? Because it is going up still.
I did a little bit ago. Let me
It's
look
got
at
some
it again.
it's got some cranky looking candles on it though. I feel like we need one that's none of these are good for a fourth trade. We need one that just screams, "I'm going back down."
Right.
Kind of like
It can't be a guess. It has to be like
it's got to have like all the indicators, all the candles got to be chilling. Like FedEx, if FedEx actually double crosses and starts going down, then we probably should consider it because it's positioned to be a downtrend. It's at the white line, so I mean FedEx is going to have to actually move itself below that white line and start pushing. But once it does, it's possible that like positioning wise in terms of double cross indicators, like it's
you draw out the
yeah, I'm drawing them out now because it's got like a little line of resistance here. It's got one here, but it's double crossing right now. Okay, so if we waited for it to get through the white line and waited for the blue and yellow to actually cross as well, the MACD is kind of going down too. We'd want to make sure it was well into its crossover, like well
way past that. For sure, not going to turn around
right
at
here.
that white line.
Yeah, the white line is sort of still sticky.
Because it can be a candle or two past that and just say, no, change my mind. Like that.
Yeah, I want to see FedEx actually like really commit to going down because it's been in a massive downtrend for a pretty good amount of time. But now it's kind of like consolidating along the white line. And, also Citigroup is doing the same thing. Citigroup is Citigroup is actually almost double crossing and heading back down. So if it's not
What
a
about-
false down,
Go look at gold.
where's gold? On there. Yeah, if gold could get past that, if gold could get past this line of resistance right here. Where else is it? It's got another one down here. I'm going to draw I'm going to be realistic because that probably is a line of resistance there.
It looks like one.
And then this one's probably like a line of resistance right here.
It's got kind of a few there that it could
yeah,
get
but
hung up on.
you're right. It is crossing down. It's well underneath its thing there. If it gets past this and commits, then yeah, gold's. It's not got that many green candles.
Right, it doesn't.
It's not committed yet. Let's watch this for another candle. It's kind of scares me. The stochastic kind of scares me because it's kind of all over the place. It's kind of cricking up and down a bunch. But, you know, I mean, it's kind of been cricking a lot, but it is underneath. It would have to just start taking off, I think.
Right.
Which it might. I like gold. What was I saying about FedEx earlier? FedEx was in one of my first. Oh, I'm waiting for FedEx to get underneath the white line. It's not going there yet. Man, Citigroup too. It's like it turned around, but now it's heading back up. So yeah, these are all kind of just janking with us. Come on, man. Come on, man. Tesla's doing the same thing. Apple's doing the same thing. Man, Apple's tanking. You look at it like that.
Look at crude, real quick.
Crude. Yeah, crude's decent. It's got some lines here. I don't know. It's kind of there. It's got a line there. But crude. What do we think about crude? I mean, it's been
I don't
up, back down, and up, back down, down.
It's got some volatility because there's a lot of wicks, both top and
Yeah,
bottom.
it seems like it's wanting to like stop itself from going where it's going.
Those wicks scare me on a fourth trade.
Yeah, for sure. Because that's kind of where we just lost our other trade on one of these exact charts. It looks perfect. It looks like it's going up, but
And then the next candle drops and just does that, and then you lose it. Yeah.
right.
Yeah, no, I don't like this. It's rounding out. It's flattening out. So that's a no-go.
Let's see. And gold did not do. Gold hit the bottom and then turned around. So FedEx is still trying to consolidate. Nothing's breaking out yet. Hold on. Crude's confused. Citigroup is confused. Let's just keep looking at these. Ooh, American Express is a good down trade. It's double crossed. It's cricked. I mean, it's got some. It doesn't look like amazing. Yeah, it doesn't look amazing.
And it's got to look amazing.
Tesla kind of looks good, dude. Well, no, nothing looks good right now. To be honest, in terms of what we're looking for on a fourth trade, there's nothing that's just kind of broke out and moving down right.
If there is, I'm not seeing it.
Netflix 79. We got to close him. Amazon 75. Johnson & Johnson down to 59%.
Look at Alibaba.
Yeah, I just did.
What do you think of that?
I was thinking Alibaba looks nice. let's take a down trade on it soon.
Is it broken out?
It's kind of it kind of went out of its kind of went down.
You got your trade amount set?
Yeah, 1380. It's possible that if it's gonna keep going down, then I think it is. You want me to take it?
Yeah, I think so. Unless it turns around or does something crazy.
You want me to take it?
Yeah. Because I think this is going to go down.
Well, it had a lot of down pressure right there, so I think you're probably right. I mean, it's wide open. Let me just justify everything we just did right there. These were wide open.
There it goes.
These are wide open. That's a lot of down pressure. That's wide open. And then I'm going to reset my bid to 1.2.
Because this is going to win. I trust this is going to win.
What is this, a fourth trade?
Yes, sir.
Oh, do you live in Nashville now?
Why? Because I said yes, sir.
Yeah.
I live in Dayton, Ohio.
All right, we're going to go for a second win on this one.
Yeah, because this is going to continue down. I believe this is going to continue down. Keep going, keep going, keep going down, baby. Keep going down.
Yeah, baby.
Keep going
That looks
down.
good. 5, 4. It needs to end soon, dude. 3, 2, 1.
Boom, boom,
0.
boom, boom, boom. We
That
got
was scary. That was scary,
That was
bro.
scary. That was scary. Let's do a happy dance because that was good.
All right. The reason why I was scared on that one, it started kind of retracting there, man, right at the end, dude. It was like
It did a little
it was
bit.
like
yeah.
kind of bouncing. This is kind of volatile. These charts can kiss my butt, dude, after this win.
But
this is our 12th win right here.
I believe this is going to be our 12th
Man,
win for
dude,
the
you
night.
found this, buddy. You found this. I'm going to have me a Reese cup right here. Hey, if you want to join our inner circle, you can join it. It's easy to do. Just go to fascinatingworldofbinaryoptions.com. This is going to be a 12th win for tonight. You can follow our trades, and then let us know if you want signals, because we've talked about giving signals, and maybe later in the year. Look at that win, dude. Look at that freaking win, dude. Look at
That right
win.
there is a massive win, dude.
That's a massive win, baby.
That is a non-scary win.
That's it. All right, folks. That's all for tonight. We have 12 wins, and follow us on Fascinating World of Binary Options. We're not gonna goof around. We were supposed to be goofing around at the front of the episode, but man, I've had a massive cold, so I'm going to bed. So
Yeah, we will cover some strange facts later on.
strange facts tomorrow, man. And check out the inner circle. We could probably win like 5 more trades on this, but we're not going to. We'll see you on the next episode.
All right. Good night, everybody.